Hey all, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today I'm discuss very important one about the YouTube channel after video uploading. So how to increase the views and earning purpose. So what is the method we have to follow this one? So first of all, I can give the some statements here. Any video on YouTube after video upload on YouTube. First one, proper SEO title, SEO description, and maintain tags. We can writing for 100. Here we can writing for up to 5000. Here up to we can give by 500. In this one, major one is called playlist and recording date, and we can use option will be called monetization when it is enabled. So first you can click for here customer channel managing your videos. Click. Main thing is important for copyrights. Which one? Copyrights. Where you can check, go to this one. Any particular video in this, how many views or anything will be dependent by option will be here. Major you can checking for copyright option. Any copyright will be get. Here will be check. Dashboard. Here will be check option will be videos. In the major important for go to your filters. This is a compulsory important. Which one? Filters. Filter will be option will be copyright claim. They will show you. First one is done. Second thing will be here. You can check for description value. Next will be made for kids. Any video will be made for kids here. You can add this option will be here. Next one, monetization. Any video not monetization or limited. You can check will be here. So here, this will be only for limited here. So there is a, we can move to the limited to unlimited. We can go for it. Title. We can search for title here and views. You can call for 100 applies. These are will be here. Next, here visibility. Any private video unlisted is there. You can check with them. Nothing will be here. All will be publishing mode. Or one more option will be there here. Visibility has a schedule, has a draft. This will be checked. First of all, after any video uploading on YouTube channel, major thing is called detailed information. Proper SEO title and a description will be used here on this. We are using for putting for 3 hashtag and description. Here two things are here. We can add title will be as a hashtag and description will adding for hashtags. So the two will be eligible for the particular description part. So where visible by hashtag, I'll show you here. So I can mute my video. Here, the 3 hashtag will be shown to the customers. Now, in this one, description done, everything will be here. So all will be happen will be done. Next, add your thumbnail. Thumbnail will be making for Canva. There is a 1280 by 720 pixel. So that will be adding for in a particular option. Next, add your playlist, related playlist, and add your related keywords. The playlist major purpose increase the views. Increase the views. Next one, very important key point is called this will be it's made for kids or no made for kids. So these two options will be anything will be age restrictions. Yes, restrict my video viewers over 18. No, don't restrict my video viewer over 18 only. So this two option will be there. And if video will be paid promotion, this option will be there. My video content paid promotion like product placement, sponsorship or endorsement. After that is a compulsory tags will be there. In this major purpose, we have to install for vidIQ toolbar. This toolbar will be help to showing for SEO score, to showing for SEO score, where into the part of the right side of the column. Best score will be out of 700. The best score will be 65 plus. In this, first of all, we can go to will be option we have vidIQ.com, the future. In this, you first of all log in here and start your particular channel. So there is a vidIQ toolbar. Where is the install by toolbar? Here is the install the toolbar. Here will be login the toolbar option. Without login, they can't show the proper score. After that, here will be a thumbnail, playlist, and everything is done. Here will be here. So what are the keyword and video language? Compulsory important. Next will be recording date. When video will be recorded, you can mention for recording date. Next, everything is common. You can add your category. Everything will be finally here. Enable slow mode here. Coming to analytics. Analytics will be showing for overview, reach, engagement, audience, and revenue option. This method will be followed by here. Editor. It's nothing but any video in between the stream will be cut the particular video option. We have to go for particular stream option will be available. So we can go for comment option. Every comment we can give the replay for comment option. Next will be we can use for subtitle option. Use for subtitle option. Next will be monetization. Here previous and new rule will be previous monetization more ads will be suitable by the after 10 minutes. The new rule will be the showing for mid roll after 8 minutes. So that is mean by any specific time you can create the ad on the YouTube videos. And right management. This feature available by the who will be provided for YouTube MCN member, multiple channel network, montage for all countries, block in all countries, track in all countries. It will be showing for montage all countries. Montage if will be worldwide, and if you enable this option, if anybody using your video within second you get by strike, you will get by strike, and ownership global wise, and everything will be ready in this option. So these are the future compulsory we can use on a particular option. Detail. In this detail option will be here in the particular. So in the right column, we have to finishing for end screen and cards option will be mandatory field. The end screen will be total using for 4. The related playlist and you can add by subscribe button, everything will be important. And cards will be using for particular 5 option will be available. So we can use for how many cards are required. We can use for here. So you can repeating 2 times, remove this one, add by the another one, which is the less use. Here is the option. Next for save. Once is it done for the particular format. So where you can play the video, just you can play the video. So yeah, just pause. The very important one is called, you can go to the nimtools.com. We have option will be called YouTube backlink generator. This will be give the particular backlinks will be here on the particular video. So copy link. Here will be selecting the format. Capture will be I'm not a robot. This capture we can use. So capture will be done. Click for submit. It is generating for backlinks. So we can submitting for this link will be nim tool. We can using for Google bookmarks. Just open it and simply will be click link. Just click for next. It will login will be here. Add URL. So we can add by the label option. Click for add bookmark. So this is the way. So this will be all will be backlinks are there. That all backlink will be given by the your particular websites. This all will be here. Like we have to website will be here. Focus.com. We can go for login it. Add link. The all main purpose increase the YouTube views and the subscriber and increase the earning purpose. This will be compulsory. We have to give the option will be in the particular things. So yeah, click for I'm not robot. Save the item. This all will be backlink submission for number of websites. So major important, any video uploading time, title, description, keyword is more important. After that one, we have to making a proper thumbnail using for proper playlist, recording date. You can checking for made for kids and age wise. You can give the proper tags and you can add your languages, recording date, standard license you have to maintain. The major thing is called proper SEO title, SEO description and tags, particular keywords. So this will be used on increasing for YouTube views and subscriber and earning purpose. So guys, who will be make the YouTube videos? That video will be more helped by the particular YouTubers to increase the views and subscriber and earning purpose. The view and earning will be increased the based on the proper SEO title and description and proper share to the social media and particular SEO format. This will be help to increase the views and subscribers. Follow this. Anyone require any backlinks, please comment me. I'll share the backlink for YouTube to make the views and earnings increase purpose. Any beginners, how to increase the earnings, that all will be depend on the your particular proper SEO title and description. That is very useful for vidIQ toolbar option. Use it and increase the views and subscribers and traffic. And major important is called once you enable by the your YouTube monetization and after getting for your 1000 subscriber, we can use option will be community tab. This tab will be help to promote any content by images, by polls, by video. This will be help to increase the channel activity and views also. Use this option and increase the members of followers. This will be help on the particular platforms to increase the subscribers, views and earnings. Use it and increase your channel membership, views and earnings.